Well, today's the day. We got some beans that are ready over on the McNay farm. So, got the 2388 ready to roll. Grandpa had to run to the neighbors so he could get a end crimped on a hose to put on the head. It was leaking, so got it fixed. When he gets back, he's gonna put it on and we're gonna make a move. So, put the head on the wagon and he'll take the combine. I'll take the pickup and get him hooked up, and Grandma will probably come get me. And I'm gonna move the semis over. I'm gonna start the semis up now, let them get warmed up and aired up, mainly the Freightliner because it takes forever to air up. Peterbilt I'm not as worried about, but today's the day. May go good, may go bad, but we're at least gonna make an attempt to get something done. So let's hit it. Ooh, a little cold. So I ran home, got the Freightliner here because that trailer's about full. Finally got everything lined out in the combine. Had to make a few minor adjustments and a few other things, but got it running good. And I rode in the combine for a little bit. And trailer's about full, so I hollered at Grandma and she came here and picked me up and went and got this rig. So after this, that truck will be full and we'll start loading this one. I don't know what time the elevator closes today, but if they are open till 7, probably going to take that load off. I think it's about 5 o'clock now, so if they close at 6, I ain't going to worry about going, because I don't want to hold them up, because them guys want to go home, so I can just be there first thing in the morning or first thing when they open tomorrow. So it's going to start dumping in this truck and keep cutting her, I guess. Finally back in the operator's seat of the combine. This is a little more of what I'm used to. First time running a 2388 in the field. So we got her at the end of harvest last year. So didn't get to run the field like we wanted because didn't get it on time. So, which was a good thing because we had to do a lot of work to this machine to get it up in shape. Because guys that owned it before us, they did not take care of it. When they fixed something, they half-assed it. A lot of headache on our end there. But smooth running machine, runs a lot quieter than the old 21s do. Another hopper full. The way we're planning, gonna finish filling this trailer, and we're gonna call it a night and haul them off tomorrow at noon, because that's when the elevator opens. Tomorrow's Sunday. Well, I'm running the combine this afternoon, cutting beans here on the terraces. Grandpa, he took the Freightliner off, gonna dump that load. I decided I'm just gonna stick in the combine today. So, hauled the first load off, he went with me. Everything went good, didn't figure anything go wrong, but he just went just for ease of mind, I guess. So, and we didn't have an empty truck, so it wasn't really much else he could do. So, cutting beans. When we get done with this field, our plan is to pick the corn right here across the lane. Then we're going to do some custom bean cutting and go from there. So that's kind of our plan for the upcoming week. Get this field done tomorrow. Get the other combine ready on Tuesday, Wednesday. Hopefully shell corn. Just depends on how everything goes. There is a chance of rain Wednesday, so we may not be doing anything. So just have to see what happens. Getting her cut. When I get this piece back here cut, I'll head up there. It's about half this piece is done. Just have this back here. This won't take long to get picked out. When I get down here, I'm going to stop and walk up, get the semi, and bring it back here. Probably park it right about there. That way I can dump and ain't got to drive all the way back up there, because ain't no sense in that. A lot more wear on the combine when I can just bring the truck back here. The ground's solid and it don't cut a rut, so it's just a sensible thing to do. back on the long rows. I'm gonna finish filling the Peterbilt, and I'll probably keep cutting until the Freightliner's full. And Grandpa can haul them off in the morning, because Monday and Tuesday I take college classes online, so that'll keep me occupied those 2 days. Mondays, Tuesdays when I do that, and the rest of the week I work. So found a school that offered online ag classes, so decided to go that route. You need a piece of paper to do about anything these days. It's kind of a piss poor way for the world to work, but it is what it is. Another hopper. Peterbilt's full. This one's about half full now, so I think I'll finish filling it and call her a day.